Alright, look. Charlotte 16 in the crate, what up? Look, ain't no tattoos on me, but I'm certified will the beast. Boy, been a G, never shook. Even before this lockdown, I was protected in these streets. But that don't mean I'd risk going to war without packing a vicious piece. I'm out here praying, target aim. Look, I gotta eat. I ain't the type to pray, instead I meditate. So it's fair to say, you could never really expect to find me on my knees. A lot of that shit in religious books in any case is make-believe, designed to look good in your bitch face. Like Maybelline, look, if there's money in it, best believe I'm catering them needs. That proper cushion, pushing pep, puts anxieties to ease for years now. On the ones and twos, I use my raps to teach. Foot in a nigga neck unless I have it tied to a leash. Main objective, what a deed, leaving no room enough to breathe. Cutting out the tongue and lies and making sure all niggas understand that off top, smash schizo was still a god. Look, I'm sitting on a project I'm probably never gonna release. Magala itse go yang, I got bright chanchuling beats. Yeah, got bright chanchuling beats.
Tactics, yeah, the spacing style. Man, like museum rappers, you know. Yo, so they so wanna be on top of the food chain, but watch out, comes with propaganda and huge responsibilities. It ain't like you are as and staying on top. You gotta form a whole dollars to Sodom and Gomorrah. You need to sustain abilities to get your mind full to reach your highest spiritual capabilities. You fall in the new time as we go up, and you survive. Do you believe you got what it takes? You wanna die? Watch your career revive. It's just striving too much, man. How much is much? You wanna send it so much, my jaw. You say to grow. It's a set goal for the devil try to get me. That golden boy try to spit for a drop of your blood. Nigga, see if I'm old dog. It's not worth it. Rather they put me in jail than have the devil grab me in blood and a kid, son. I'll rap the gates of hell and blessed with demons. It's simple and plain. The devil can see me as well. I know you fake niggas think I'm Jesus. Try to backstab me like they Judas Iscariot. Yeah. Yo. Check it out.
Lina ke Uncle Stella Buffett aka Stanza Njakasi ala samfostana botsamba tla le tlhalosetse bona o ka dipape tsa go tlhoma ka zero ba busy ba claima ka se batlile ka khiro by camouflage ka se welele lingo ba batla sana marena ba tagile ego 051 re go bitsa ka go tlatsa Preston house Peter ka hiso Slimo pota tamga roba go chabo vaska kweketsa boza ka hiso one flop go betsa straight go non stop rough bo go leketle litlo ka khaga we hetsa go katella tsotsi kopitlo ya nya tsotsi ya tswa kotsi ya tsoga hosi ko pele nomi yes ke dadle tsotsi bona 60 mo lare mo ke hitang go atsetselwa matlo a pikitlo le kotofaka le kolopa ka tubula ka keketa phugana ka petlenya le bitlantse ke le cheka khwela bitisi ke dipi radio e beshisha ke mgote ke le hlena ke khwavotha ke senya mogopa tsebe ope ka go betjwa ka setena ba batla go ntekena ba ntshepisa ditena operation na bachai amekila ke go thipa ka go diga ka bogopong ka go shomela le thipa ka se hako sa dibanka le ripitla ka meto ba menyosa tlana dizisana ke tiri mpika diri mina tshipi di dipi 60 mo bulitse di ka bokotsi ba go la le sa tsotsi hosi ke ka re ke chaisitse dipozi ka goni yeah.
Biggest Smalls, 10 Commandments, 05 up in here, Big Bello up in here, 056 up in here. Let's go, let's do this, check it. Hey yo, DJ Mpakoto, ke tshwate di rekoto ke khantsele di ngotsi di la spin ka di bodoto. ke kgemodo sauce thunya sa di bolo so shapa file honi jole ka chedi batla vodo so I'm number 1 jole ka Ibiza spectacular ke change le mangamla first pane ka vernacular ke tshele tornado ke siam tsama haule secular people watching just how much of a stupid head you are guess what lyrically I'm worse than Mohetan leaving you stupid and pop takala necessity my presence in the ghetto makes cypher start happening underground students make way for the specialists my lyrics teacher material you kutele holahla Tawe mufufutso ubentsha mphahla ke ntho ya go beha ke le la moral gale ba ntshisa ke tapole ya lekwele ire manku chatla ka di console dule highest lo botlele lo ya vonto ke khopo chatla ka minoto for ponto o shape di kopo bo ikutlwe ka o tsheswa ke onto 05 ke le fly.
Yeah, it's Lil Aries Carter. Ain't supposed to be saying this, but fuck all these rapping kids. Oh yeah, this a fucking diss. Oh, you fuckers wackies. Hit me with a diss back. Fuck you, I'ma stand still. I'm a badass. You motherfuckers faggots. I'm a rat chat. Got that? Met yet? I care less. Tattoos on my face. You can tell a bitch a mess. Try me, you gon' crash out. Put you in a scrap yard. Get yourself smashed. Oh yeah, I'm the man. This what you call rap fag? I put you trapped in the car boot. Drive myself to madhouse. And when we get there, I'ma fuck you. I'm a gang member Damu. Representing blood gang Sue. What Damu that I do? What it do? Fuck you. What you saying, boo? I might kill you. I'm too rude, fool. I'm up the shooting. Fuck you and your mama too. Fuck everybody you close with. I'm a fucking two. Yeah. I'm a fucking two. Alright. Okay. I ain't getting remix if I kill this motherfuckers. I ain't even care more. If the sorry, y'all fuck them up. These fuck niggas is fuck niggas, they fuck niggas. They need a gun on their heads and then I pull the trigger. I'm too bitter. You say you leather, I'm full of glitter. I'm too sick of this rap shit, I'm too ill. Disgusting. All your songs is nasty. I don't think you ready, go and tell daddy. Lulu Aries Carter wanted to take me, help me daddy. Nigga, I murdered your daddy. Tell him to pull that bitch and steady. I've been standing on the pillar still wetting. With the pistol in my pocket, click clacking. Do. Should've fucked up, I'm sorry. But you had it coming. I just can't get enough of dissing you. And I'ma diss your boo. Yeah. Alright. It's Lulu Aries Carter. I'm on my baby.
Radom Sindis. It's 05, man. Let's get it. Cheers. Top of the wish list, go change and go to the twisted like the put machine that's listed by the misfit. Mohagaga Pagama Senaka Sina Lescal, Lebari Bonaga Baha, Magadina Lady Tetaro, Javet to Amazalan, whatever and one at Yoka, Bonaka Savannah Maria, and we see with Timohai, but she man was any more by about 30 cake at Riba, Yana the Sabota Nakon, the might still be outside. He got drop a bella chuck, cigar, shwaram, shit or fast, get like a chantango Mazarashaka, death is a master, but Fanabang who sits a Simuku Choka Batela. Bampatila ka no just one kheke go ba pema ka itse ba le teng kamkhazana ka marulo lwa asbestos ke lo batla ke ba kutila ka Boko Haram ka Lagos ba ka ibua nnete ke ba bolaisa tsa ga tap makhathena take no prisoners ma bitla bona ba emetse ka hlatheng cause I'm Robben Island to the bars Okapi to discuss yeah home well it's a 16V to the pass plus aba sin single definition ya streetwise KFC betse ba lo mpatala ka the secret spice go ke ba shuka ka matlalo ke ba hake mo trateng bo makhelwane ba ba bona ha ba heta mo strateng. Barado the ruler beats a couple true modlading, and no one sits in number no more base I'm granting. I'm Shegwavara Rumola Ramagana, Kibashabala defend Vantanga Zozoga Equala, but I'm Sala for I'm showing free to that immune system. This niggas got my shobani for this blood that I'm spilling. Yanagan Dristatan on the son of my go down swinging, Hatin Hapuga Legas, I'll be chella cross swimming. The tennis the ghost of Mido Masi against me, there's no winning. People 4 boy mother 10 triple on and after get killing cause straight in 2 beers born. I still punch the hardest. The Khateba Bonia Fostana for Rado the toughest, Rado the smartest on the bed day ka rado the roughest cause letting le ka mothuwa molomo ka botlola from harvest wanna be gangsters washing your mazali ka ya batla le tlo go ntshantse le la melalanya ne ke tlo go e gata ke tlo go le trapa ke tlo go le khawata ke tlo go le hanga le tele ba le ba tshepileng tanga le bone ka go plela ke tlo ba tlhaba se le lampela ga la bona dance ya nane le tlo la gate khola ne le sa fustana for mo ke mo ma old lady le tshona snacks for le be le phezile washing le metsi sa le ke le ba bampagane le tsa makhelwane diteng ya nna ka makwaito se ke conductor symphony ka di blade o go tibusula came to disrupt your rock the whole game the fish of men I won't go home until I catch a body I'll body everybody including Barale Baradi yeah so 5 man shout out to my Free State mercenaries oh shit
Mona. I voice a guy sharp on my head. It's fine, you know. I'll drop it anyway. Yeah, baby chile, baby gay. Baby chile, baby gay. So I get the shade this one. Baby chile, baby gay. Baby chile, baby gay. So I get the shade this one. Yeah. Baby chile, baby gay. Baby chile, baby gay. Azika ho. Umpone ha ke pot. Smandana ke khotse 99. Le jola le bonunuka di shoti. Ha ke duka malakabi. Je biti ka draya. Ke katela ka kokona masala 05. Aziko ke old god. Ha so ki the bodyguard. Wambona gonna blow body son. Hosemo bita hlaya ra shapol. Hore na ke suthu le so wa biba ka right ne ra khezona mathopa. Uka ki talk. Ke monna ka se boko Mike ke makoko ke retse ka hip hop what ke batla khana Maserati ke tshwane le motsulo wa ditseba sugar daddy tse di chabi what botsa kana batla chai ke stoti check logo la di daddy me bla spend the plus ina encha yata no distract makaras what azika ho when I dip in the arena where it's never was the case more music more shows all up in your face like King Sunny if you wanna box sky then gotta ring with it last body bags and caskets, everyone train tracks is godly like face facts. What they about to bow? Hoshamona, Azika ho, done did it again. Thank you, Freestyle Fathers. Big pride. Free State 057 reloading feature ready to land. Mortgage one thing.
Yo. Sia go wa ke tsena ka nna sa bantshiwa ke tsena kwa skepetse mo go seng tšala ka ditori nna ke rata ha lefe ya mathata ga se ba fast ja ka belo la seneng la ba ka itreshe never ba sina ke betcha kan sidane ha tla ka ma other tsenya bele khanda ke level 3 re na le plaka ya re ka pospaka ha re se re bone ke khone re tlo bona mathata bona no ba bua le kan shabane le fisha bana banse Shoto potumele fure tika chit ki siki dik ne ka tulense tika chit hamogela befethu na sentse kit cause the enemy talking ba fetwa skis ke tla fepa le foko le botlhoko le pheka le khopo umba fethu ke itile botlhoko
what Samari Masi okay mic check 1 to escape kulezo sikwazi ukuba higher than iroof yenkonzo lockdown dimamilis group ngegonqo fed group noma hute xa siphula iqo up in their faces njengempukani izinto ezithanda ubusuku ingathi ngamalulwane bafuna i-hard flows zaphetha amanzi abila hayibo musana ukuzenza bangakholwa ukuba I am the shit okanye toilet yomgo dike ndivana nalo mculo njengabantu abatsha dileyo ndirepresent igasi njengokuchamele ekoneni or I am the king xa sivela bangena emboneni not one to throw hands but if it goes to those lengths ndithumelelo skidi abangabenzi bezo bakudlakaze baxanqathe bakushiya ubona imibo njenzi imihlo ngale rap ngafunga ndoyiwe zembelo liwe oza ngesantya esikhulu loliwe anqandeki mchana ndithi nibhoki xa zipunchlines we run facts zapetsha phambili kumsobomvu ngale youth month uzawubona ikhwathi wena nje lungisa indaba yakho nojesu so that when you face me he might come to your rescue kubune beef 36 gun ne pack stop tubes yeah. Let's take this as an opportunity, make it a dedication to a young nigga who love music and education. Sit with the lens, capturing memories. Umsindi Sipike, the boy has been missing. If you got any information regarding what I've just mentioned, hit me up or go to your nearest police station. I'm out. Msamari.
Yeah. Yes, come on. Yeah, le campita kamayina marisinyi manyue. Khatisa diverse before tatili dike. Baba ngata ba tlogela nobody ge. Nna ke ba shebile plus ke ba thega 16 bars no di last ke ba wela mo rapper wa mokasi one time ke ba tsena ka se ka makala go the wena wa mfena motswako wa mokasi dijo tsa bophelo ngwana ha o le bizu dutsi ka plata ke dlala ka tara tse di ngata ke di tsena khosa ke le water tsena mantaga ke feletse sontaga ke gane ke mogolo ka di verse lastaga ho ka nke makaya ke le high so ke nna ka ntela tholo ke re net so yeah he bampone ka ke re oh boy ke di gatoga sho yes hekse ha ba chaya ye ke mo repa wa mokasi ya ba chaya dula ke le tente la thupa ba chaya what's up it's your boy
Laiti ma Manga won't star. Okay, let's do this. Go 5 Friday instrument that I dip we do this thing every Friday. You want a chance? Here's the platform Torokaya. Ready to swim with sharks from the skele Marispaye. No fucking sushi ninjas, eat the humble pie here. Said you got beef? Bring it on a Friday. Make sure you got the balls. We ain't buying no fucking faces here. Check the line up. Ain't nobody gonna dumb me down here. Satlaka rap ya masanya. We get our Kanye. Keep it original. Ain't nobody biting nobody here. The week I daisy all you'll end up in a body bag. Bana baba nyani. The badira la di party pig. Every bloody day. Streets rotten with corpses. Yes, the synopsis. Ain't nobody calling no cops here. You wanna rap? Make sure you got the balls here. Dealing with bosses. People allergic to losses here. If you married to the game, it's a divorce here. Ninjas part ways with the fans cause shit is real here. Better be willing to die if you wanna rap here. Life up a dope samurai ends with a blade here. Friday, make sure you keep your receipt. If we catch you in the streets with a smoke, you catching bars, yeah. It's God's here. Rahopata, you get scars. We do it for the love of the culture. We don't fucking battle here. Take it anywhere, even in the boondus. No butatis tosa shakfaga go dunga boat sak top. Then we got this attack and go back in Zimbisia's cop. Pela nganzo. Pela kake kup top. Hare folk. Beta totikako. Mohare hamukosi tutubale nemakosi. Banki zing barel feza rato dilong 2 fingers kapokotong waiti kenchadi mokolo. Friday. Come see you next week. DM me to participate, my ninja. I'm out.